Very good morning to all of you. In this video, we are going to study how to develop a Google form for producing quizzes. You see, first we have to go to www.google.com. Then go to your page. Here you have a 9 dots. Then you click this. Then go down, down and down. And you go more from Google. If you go down, you can see the different apps. We can see all the Google apps here. So this is one way of going to the Google form. Okay. So you click the form. It will downloading. So you have for the two options. One is personal and another one is business. Then you click the personal form. Go to the form. Then you have this page. This page you have this violet color icon forms, and you have here I have created so many forms, that's why it is displayed. If you haven't created any forms, it will not display any forms. So start a new form by clicking this. So you will get this form. So first of all, you have to given the name of the Google form by developing any name by giving quiz. Chemistry quiz. Okay, then automatically it will come to here. Here we are having two headings. One is questions, another one is response. In the question part, we can type the question whatever you want to type. So if you have any description, see chemistry quiz means if you give any specification from the topic surface chemistry or MCQs or descriptive questions. So that are all the things given in this description unit. So here I am giving from the chapter 5. Okay. Then MCQ questions. Okay. So MCQ questions, all type of questions we can create. Now we go to the plus button here. Plus. Here this plus button is used to create a new question. So first of all, we have to generate the email, the name, the class of the student. For that, you have to choose the side icon here, short answers. Then you type the email. Here immediately it will ask enable email collection settings. If you definitely we want this, so you just click it. It will enable the email address. Okay. So here they can type their valid email address. See here you can see a red star. This red star indicates that this question is compulsory for that. Then go to the next one. Plus again you have to go for the short answer. Type the name of the student. So you have to type the name. Okay. So this is a required section. You definitely want this the name of the student. So click this button as like this response. Okay. So it creates the question. Then move to the next one. Class. So it should not be multiple choice. It is only a short answer. Okay. Class, or you can write board division. Then it is also compulsory for us. Okay. Then we move to the questions. So first you have to type the question. The first question is the valency of carbon is. So very simple question. I have to that. So what is the option? We have given the option 4. Another option, add another. Just you click it, it will move to the 3. Then another option 4 or 2. Then one more option 1. Then add another option 2. Right. So now you see this is a required option. If you have add any other, so you have to press this button. Then move to the next question. Okay. What is the second question? The structure of carbon dioxide. Yes. What is the first option? We can give so many structure. Linear. The second option, triangular. The next option, square. The third option, we can give anything, none. Likewise, we can create so many questions. Here you see in this, you can want checkbox. Okay, if you want to upload any files, for example, I can do this question for you. You see here. See, suppose if for example, I have chosen here the paragraph question. Okay. Then calculate the RMS velocity of RMS velocity is root mean square velocity of carbon dioxide at 273 Kelvin. Okay. Then you go here and you hear the file upload, and in the file upload the respondents upload the files to drive and they have to continue this answer. Okay. So next you have to continue here. So in this here we can see the file upload. They can upload the file in any forms. That is the maximum size I have given. You can limit it to 1B or 10B or anything. So maximum number of files. See, if you click this button, it will ask the following things in terms of document, in terms of spreadsheet, in terms of PDF, you want the sum, in terms of image, you can clear. So it is easy to give the students. If it is given in image, they can easily click the particular sum and they can upload it. And the maximum size you can given up to 10 MB or 10 MB is if you feel more high, you can say 1 MB or 10 MB. According here I am giving 10 MB. Okay, and it is a required section. So this is the way we can design the various form of the question. Next, what you have to do, you have to go for the settings. In the settings, you can collect the email address. Okay, limit to 1 response. The student can answer only one time. Okay, so these are some of the things. Then save. Again go there, go to the presentation part, show the progress bar if you want. So suppose if you are giving the question for so many students, you can shuffle the question order so we can avoid the copying of the question. Then save. And then again you have to click this button. Then quizzes. This is very important. This icon you have made this as quiz. Okay. So release grade immediately after each submission. So the respondents can see. You please click on all these questions. It is easy for us to grade the quiz. Then you have to save. Upon saving this, we can easily see the answers here. Okay. Now you click the first question. We can see here the answer key. Upon clicking this, you can have this answer. So what is the right answer? So option 4. Okay. Then what here also you can click the answer key. What is the right answer? Linear. Okay. So in this final question, we can give the answer key as what is the RMS velocity. So we see here we have done this RMS velocity by means of this particular uploading file. So we can give some around 5 marks. For this one we can give 1 marks, assign the points, and this can make 1 mark. Okay. In this way we can assign the question. Then now we have finished all these sections. Now move to send. Now you can see here sent via email, sent via attachment, and sent via embedded HTML. These things we don't want. You see sent via email. Okay. So sent via this link. If you click this, you can see the link here. So click the shorten URL. You can get the shorten URL. Then you can copy this link and paste it in the Google Classroom or through your email. You can send the email to your for example, if I send the mail, okay, you can see what are all the mails. Suppose if I send this mail, you can send. Okay, the particular question is go to the particular email and they can respond. This is the way we can create the quiz. Thank you.